Hello everyone, this is Divya Madhukar from Trend Preschool in association with International Montessori Teacher Training Institute. I strongly believe that this program will empower not just teachers but their students as well. Hello and welcome once again to our 5-day workshop starting tomorrow. Learning the letter sounds. It's quite challenging and all words are made up of sounds. And we all know that we have 40 plus sounds in English, but only 26 letters that are used to represent these sounds. And for reading and writing, the children need to be fluent as the saying, the sound that goes with the letters. Once you have a systematic plan, the teaching becomes easy. Step 1, the pre-reading behaviors. Now here is where children are introduced to discriminate the sounds. We also help them to understand the concepts about the print, help them learn the awareness of rhyme and rhythm. We also share a lot of sound manipulation games for children. And along with that, the awareness of print makes them actually read the letters. Going forward, once the child is learning the letter sounds, it's also important that we teach them how to learn the letters. Now this is also quite challenging because mastering a single letter involves two different ways. Firstly, identifying the letters visually, and second, memorizing the sounds that are associated with the letter. Here is where we got to spend more amount of time because every letter has sometimes involved with more than one sound. And here is where children need to spend a lot of time in understanding the letter formations and the sounds that are associated with them. And moving from knowing the single letters to reading words is all about blending the sounds together now. Now we will be working on different blending sound techniques in our program. Next is introducing the sight words that come up very frequently in the text and sometimes that they don't even follow the predictable spelling rules. We see and learn them with many examples. And lastly, we work with the word families as there are 37 common word families in English language, or in actual there are more than 37, which are also called as the highest frequency words. This is just a glimpse of the training program. If you would like to know more, you can register for our workshop, which is starting from 9th of August until 13th of August. Do join me and I will see you soon in the workshop. The link is given in the description box along with the details to register for the event. Thank you and have a wonderful day.